world changes dramatically each day. Busy we forget about our future, and though faced by many, death is an unpopular subject. We spoke to Paul Smith of Douglas Stevens & Co., specialist wills and estate administration lawyers, to find out more about the impact of making a will on those we leave behind. So why should I get a will?
Unfortunately, we just don't know when our time's up. It's often thought that if we don't make a will, assets will automatically pass to those we love most. Unfortunately, this is often not the case.
Okay, so what are the implications of not getting a will?
Well, someone you hate may receive a large part of your estate by default. Those you love may receive nothing. The court may have to decide who looks after your children. Or worse still, they could end up in care until matters have been resolved. The consequences of not making a will are often really heartbreaking for those left behind.
So what are some of the worst consequences you've seen as a result of not getting a will?
I suppose one of the saddest was when a man who'd been previously adopted made contact with his natural father, and they became very close friends over a period of years. The father had no other children, and he was under the misapprehension that his son would receive the whole of his estate upon his death, even if he made no will. Unfortunately, under the laws of intestacy laid down in 1925, as his son was adopted, he received nothing, and the estate was consequently divided between various cousins of the father.
Okay, I realise I need one, but how do I get one?
You could make one yourself by using a kit. It's not something we would normally recommend unless your circumstances are very simple, as it's quite easy to make a mistake with sometimes disastrous results. You could get your bank to draft your will. Sometimes this is offered without a cost initially, but with a percentage of your estate later as a fee. You could ask a solicitor to draft your will. Generally speaking, the quality of advice will be good, although they may not specialise. Alternatively, you could ask lawyers such as ourselves specialising in wills and estate administration to deal with matters.
To find out more information about Douglas Stevens & Co., please visit their website or contact the details below.